Hello, my name is Eric Botts. I began my career as a doctor in 1992 and have walked in your footsteps as a healthcare provider, struggling to understand the complexities of documenting, coding, and submitting claims, and then attempting to be reimbursed for the services we provide, only to have the claim rejected. Medical billing rules and regulations are constantly changing and sometimes difficult to keep up with, especially when you have so many other responsibilities associated with providing excellent care for your patients. That's why I'm teaching the seminar titled Medical Coding for Optometry, Start to Finish, and you are invited.
Atlantic City, New Jersey, Sunday, August 26th at the luxurious Sheraton Atlantic City Convention Center Hotel. Your speaker for the seminar is Dr. Eric K. Botts, who is an optometrist with a degree from the Southern College of Optometry. He's also the founder of 4 InnovativEyes clinics across Illinois and Iowa. He's the CEO of OBC, the immediate past president of the Energeyes Association, and a third-party trustee for the IOA.
The seminar is designed for the optometrist, office assistant, or billing specialist that has either never submitted a medical claim or wants to guarantee they are reimbursed the full amount allowed by Medicare. You will learn how to document, to code, and bill a Medicare patient for services you already perform. I can't wait to see you there.
Attendees will receive a 2018 OBC Medical ICD-10 coding book, Medicare allowables for your business's location. You'll also receive continued email support to ensure that you successfully adopt correct coding protocols. Attendees will learn how to apply to be a Medicare provider, evaluate your fee schedule, determine whether an exam is medical or routine, how to use S codes, 92 codes, 99 codes, and how to use modifiers, how to submit claims for many procedures, read an EOB, avoid undercoding your exams, and have a better understanding of the ICD-10 codes as a whole. Register today and start practicing optometry smarter, not harder.